Pick that up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cut these lights off, lady.
Key.
All of them.
My name is Wolf Lakin. Hey guys, what you doing? Wow, it's FTV!
We'll be back in a minute.
Okay. This looks fun! Boys, we haven't got to meet each other. My name is Wolfie, and I'm a new character in this channel. And my name is Lakin Wolf. You guys met Dino Wee in his video. I'm gonna be in the next one. You guys met Miss Poop. Miss. Her name is not actually Miss Poop. Her name is Miss Diamond. He just likes to call her that because he hates her. She's really my girlfriend.